Want to make your clothes last longer? Stay tuned for a few simple and easy tips. One important aspect of acquiring new or expensive clothes is figuring out how to maintain good closet habits so that your garments are in excellent wearable shape for years to come. With a little maintenance, you can make your garments last much longer. In this video, we will review 6 ways in which you can clean and care for your clothes and accessories. When it comes to everyday wear, it's important to upkeep your shoes in order to extend their life cycle. Invest in a shoe cleaning kit to help keep your shoes looking their best. There are a number of kits to choose from Reschuven 84 to Jason Markk. A tip to keep in mind is to focus on the material that you're looking to maintain. Whether it be suede, leather, or fabric, different materials will require different methods of care. For ways in which to keep your favorite tops from becoming misshapen in your closet, there are a few ways in which you can keep this from happening. For instance, MAWA makes these rounded hangers that help to keep your sleeves smooth. Wooden hangers are also helpful to keep your structured suits presentable, and cedar wood prevents moss as well. If you have knits, folding them is a great way to help them retain their shape. Continuing with the topic of storage in your closet, consider investing in cotton garment bags instead of plastic. Cotton allows for your garment to breathe and prevents any mildew, fading, or mold from occurring. There are so many options that you can choose. One of my most used tools in keeping my clothes wrinkle-free is a handheld steamer. Simply fill the water and turn on the switch to help get wrinkles out with ease. There are a multitude of options to choose from, like this one from the Steamery, but Amazon also has some great affordable alternatives. Another tool that I frequently use is a fabric shaver, which helps to depil your knitwear easily. There are battery-operated versions, rechargeable ones, and mesh screen versions that help in picking up stray pills while leaving the sweater, wool coat, or pants in pristine condition. And one of the most affordable tools to keep at your disposal is a lint wand. If you are an animal lover, you might also find that pet hair will accumulate everywhere. Instead of opting for a sticky roller that is a tad wasteful, invest in a velvet wand like this one from the Steamery that removes pet hair with ease. And there we have it, everyone. 6 of my favorite tools for clothing and accessory care. What are some of your favorite tools or tips in regards to help keeping your garments looking their best? Leave a comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next one.